Gardening can be a rewarding experience, but it's only as enjoyable as the tools you use. Having the right equipment can transform your gardening routine, making tasks easier and more efficient. In this video, we're highlighting the best gardening tools that are truly game changers for any gardener. Whether you're planting, weeding, or pruning, these essentials will help you tackle your garden projects with ease and precision. Let's dive in. The FELCO F2 manual hand pruner is a must-have tool for any gardener. Whether you're trimming small branches or managing your garden's daily maintenance, this pruner makes the task effortless. The high-quality hardened steel blades are sharp, ensuring precise cuts every time, while the wire-cutting notch adds extra versatility. Its lightweight aluminum alloy handles, coated for a secure, non-slip grip, are perfect for medium to large hands. The pruner's shock-absorbing rubber cushions reduce wrist strain during prolonged use, while the sap groove prevents any sticky mess. What really sets it apart is the micrometric adjustment system, which allows for easy customization and ensures perfect blade alignment. With a lifetime guarantee and all parts replaceable, the FELCO F2 is a reliable and long-lasting investment for gardeners of all levels. If you're serious about your gardening, this pruner is a game changer. When it comes to gardening, the right gloves can make all the difference, and the Pine Tree Bamboo Garden Gloves are a game changer. Designed for both men and women, these gloves offer a perfect blend of comfort, durability, and functionality. Made from breathable bamboo fabric, they keep your hands cool in the summer and warm in the winter, ensuring all-day comfort. The snug fit provides excellent dexterity, allowing you to handle delicate plants and tools with precision. Plus, the textured grip ensures a firm hold, even in damp conditions. One standout feature is their touchscreen compatibility. No more removing your gloves to check messages or take garden notes. Whether you're planting, pruning, or weeding, these gloves protect your hands while keeping them clean. If you're looking for a reliable pair of gardening gloves that feel like a second skin, these are a must-have for your gardening toolkit. When it comes to keeping your garden lush and thriving, the QILEBI watering can is a game changer. Made from thickened PP resin, this lightweight yet durable can holds enough water to hydrate multiple plants without constant refilling. The detachable stainless steel shower head offers versatility. Use the gentle spray for delicate flowers or switch to a steady stream for deep-rooted plants. The long spout ensures precise watering, reaching plants without unnecessary bending. A wide top opening makes refilling and cleaning effortless, while the ergonomic double-handle design provides a comfortable grip for better control. Plus, the built-in filter plug prevents clogs, ensuring a smooth watering experience every time. Whether you're tending to a vegetable garden, houseplants, or flower beds, this watering can simplify the task, making plant care more efficient and enjoyable. If you want a reliable and practical gardening tool, this is one you can't live without. When you're tackling heavy-duty gardening tasks, the Gorilla Steel Garden Cart becomes an essential tool. Its 400-pound capacity makes hauling soil, mulch, and plants effortless, saving you multiple trips across your yard. The sturdy steel mesh bed provides durability, while the removable sides let you quickly convert it into a flatbed for transporting larger items like firewood or potted trees. Maneuvering is a breeze with its 10-inch pneumatic tires and tight turning radius, ensuring smooth movement across rough terrain. The padded pull handle adds comfort, reducing strain when hauling heavy loads. Built for both hobbyists and serious gardeners, this cart makes landscaping projects more efficient and enjoyable. Whether you're planting a new flower bed or clearing debris, the Gorilla Cart's steel garden cart delivers unmatched strength and versatility, making it a gardening tool you can't live without. Picture this. You're in your garden, ready to tackle soil preparation, and you need a tool that delivers precision without strain. That's where the WALENSEE Bow Rake steps in to make your work effortless. This heavy-duty rake, built with 17 sturdy steel tines, pierces through compacted soil with ease, making it perfect for leveling, spreading mulch, and breaking up clumps. Its stainless steel handle is designed for durability and comfort, with an adjustable length that ensures a customized fit for gardeners of all sizes. The anti-rust coating adds longevity so you can rely on this tool season after season. Assembly is quick and simple, and the detachable design makes storage a breeze. Whether you're clearing debris, aerating your lawn, or prepping a planting bed, the WALENSEE Bow Rake ensures every gardening task is smooth and efficient. If you're serious about gardening, this is one tool you shouldn't be without. When you're working in your garden and run into stubborn roots or compacted soil, the Radius Garden Mini Digger Shovel is a game changer. This compact yet powerful tool makes digging effortless, thanks to its inverted V-shaped cutting tip that slices through roots with ease. No extra tools needed. Its carbon steel blade is tough enough to handle demanding tasks, while the resin-encased steel shaft ensures durability without adding extra weight. The ergonomic O-handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during extended use. Whether you're planting perennials, clearing out old root systems, or working in raised beds, this mini digger is built for precision and control. Unlike bulky shovels, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a must-have for every gardener. If you're serious about maintaining a thriving garden, the Root Slayer Mini Digger is one tool you won't want to be without. Picture this. You're deep into a gardening session tending to your plants, but the hard ground starts taking a toll on your knees. That's where the OHUHU Extra Thick Kneeling Pad comes in, a simple yet essential tool that makes all the difference. At 1.5 inches thick, this high-density EVA foam pad provides excellent cushioning, keeping your knees comfortable even during long hours of planting or weeding. The dual surface design is a bonus, a smooth side for extra comfort, and a textured side that grips the ground to prevent slipping. It's also water resistant, meaning damp soil or wet grass won't soak through. Lightweight and featuring a built-in handle, it's easy to carry wherever your gardening tasks take you. Whether you're a weekend gardener or dedicated green thumb, this kneeling pad ensures you can work longer without discomfort. Your knees will thank you. The Spear and Jackson. Stainless weed fork is a game changer for any gardener looking to tackle tough soil. This tool's mirror-polished stainless steel head resists rust and prevents soil from sticking, making it perfect for breaking up compacted dirt around shrubs and plants. The weatherproofed hardwood handle adds durability while offering a comfortable grip for long gardening sessions. Plus, the tanged design provides knuckle clearance, ensuring you can work with ease and precision. Whether you're weeding or loosening soil, the leather wrist strap ensures easy storage and access. With a 10-year guarantee, this weed fork is built to last and handle all your garden tasks effortlessly. If you're serious about gardening, this is one tool you won't want to miss. If you've ever struggled with pulling stubborn weeds from your garden, the FISKARS stand-up weed puller tool will quickly become your go-to tool. This ergonomic weeder lets you remove weeds without bending or kneeling, which means no more back or knee pain after a day in the garden. The 39-inch handle ensures you're standing upright while the 4 serrated claws grip and pull weeds by the roots for permanent removal. The offset handle design also reduces wrist strain, making it more comfortable for long use. What makes this weeder even better is the integrated viewing window, so you can see exactly what you're pulling. Plus, the easy eject mechanism lets you dispose of weeds quickly. Whether you're dealing with dandelions or thistles, this tool makes the job fast, efficient, and pain-free. It's one of those gardening tools you won't know how you lived without. If you've ever struggled with cutting thick branches or managing a large pruning task, the RAZORTOOTH folding saw is a game changer. This folding saw is designed for single-handed use, with a 10-inch curved blade that slices through branches up to 6 inches in diameter with ease. Thanks to its 3-sided razor teeth, the cuts are quick and smooth, making pruning faster than traditional saws. The ergonomic co-molded handle ensures comfort and control, even during extended use, reducing wrist strain. Plus, the blade is foldable for safe storage and easy portability, preventing any accidental injury. With impulse-hardened teeth, this tool is built to last, offering reliable performance season after season. Whether you're tackling small to medium-sized branches or maintaining your garden, the RAZORTOOTH folding saw makes the job easier and more efficient. It's a must-have tool for any gardening enthusiast. If you're serious about gardening, the Nisaku Japanese weeding knife is an essential tool to add to your collection. This 7.25-inch blade is dual-purpose with both a serrated edge for cutting through tough roots and a straight edge for digging and planting. The blade is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's rust-resistant and keeps its razor-sharp edge through frequent use. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods without straining your hand. The blade even has inch markings to help you plant bulbs or plants at the correct depth. Weighing just 10 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and it comes with a faux leather sheath for safe storage. Whether you're tackling weeds, dividing plants, or preparing your garden, this tool is versatile and built to last, helping you get the job done with precision and ease. If you're tired of dealing with messy, tangled twine while working in the garden, the PERKHOMY jute twine is a game changer. This 3-ply, 2mm thick twine is crafted from 100% natural jute, making it not only eco-friendly but also strong and durable enough for all your gardening needs. Whether you're securing plants, creating supports, or organizing garden tools, this twine has you covered. The generous 1,100-foot length ensures you have plenty of twine to get through even the biggest project. The best part? It's biodegradable and free from harmful chemicals, so it's safe for your plants and the environment. Lightweight and easy to handle, the PERKHOMY jute twine is a versatile addition to your garden supplies, helping you tackle everything from plant staking to DIY crafts without the hassle of breaking a sweat. If you're serious about gardening, this twine is a must-have. If you're serious about your garden, the RAPITEST soil test kit is a must-have tool. This kit takes the guesswork out of soil health by quickly measuring key nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and the pH levels of your soil. With 25 tests included, it's perfect for assessing your garden's needs throughout the season. The LED digital technology ensures accurate results in just a few seconds, making it easy to get the information you need. It even comes with a helpful guide showing you how to adjust your soil for over 450 different plants. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or lawn, this kit gives you the insights you need to improve your soil and boost your garden's productivity. It's a reliable, straightforward tool that helps you make informed decisions for better plant growth. If you've ever struggled with weeding or digging in tough soil, the Radius Garden Steel Weeder is the tool you need. Its ergonomic design is a game changer, featuring the patented natural radius O-handle that reduces hand and wrist stress, making it comfortable for long gardening sessions. The extra-wide elevated forward step allows you to use your body weight for better leverage, helping you efficiently remove deep-rooted weeds. Crafted with a super-strong stainless steel blade and a resin-encased carbon steel shaft, this weeder is built to last. The 42.5-inch handle gives you ample reach, so you can work without constantly bending over. Whether you're tackling weeds in your garden or flower beds, the Radius Garden 205 PRO is a reliable and ergonomic tool that makes weeding less of a chore. If you're serious about gardening, the Rogue Heavy-Duty Hoe is a must-have tool for your collection. This hoe features a 7-inch wide head with 3 sharp edges, making it ideal for tackling tough soil, weeds, and tight spaces. Whether you're cultivating the garden bed or clearing weeds along fences, the versatile design helps you get the job done quickly and efficiently. The 54-inch handle offers great reach, reducing the need to bend over and minimizing strain on your back. Plus, its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance even with frequent use. The Rogue Heavy-Duty Hoe's sharpness and maneuverability give you precision and control, ensuring that your gardening tasks are completed with ease. Built to last and made for tough jobs, it's an essential tool for both seasoned gardeners and DIY enthusiasts.